hell? You just got 500 backwards text. High fives from all of us in Nigeria, Virginia. Wait, what the hell? Packing peanuts, man. What the oh shit, alright. Bam. This reverse text kind of annoying. Alpine new head unit. Freaking old head unit is like, what, from 2010 probably? Maybe even earlier. So time to get that piece of junk out of there. It doesn't even play the CDs anymore that it's supposed to. These new ones, they don't even take CDs anymore because no one really uses them, so that's what this is. What's this here? Let's see what's inside. I hope there's a harness in here. Let's see, what do we got? What? Microphone? Is this a microphone? What? It looks like a... Huh. Oh, I see. So I think this is for driving and talking on the phone. So you talk into this, it's connected to the head unit, and then the head unit is connected to your phone by like Bluetooth, and it communicates that way. That's interesting. And what else we got here? Okay, so... Alright, here we go. Here's the harness. No labels on the harness itself, so probably just have to go by the color codes in the instruction manual, I hope. Alright then. Alright. Detachable faceplate. This is likely never coming off because I have an actual alarm in the car, but there it is anyways. Okay, alright, cool. Pandora supported, whatever. We'll see if that works as intended. So this is made for like Android, Apple phones, but I don't think this is exactly like new, like 2019, 2020, whatever new, so I just hope it's compatible with the Android OS that's on my phone right now. Alright, of course we got this. Here we go. Instruction manual. It's actually quite thick. Oh, it's just because it's in 3 languages, so it's still about 40 pages on the English side. Most of it is... actually, it's a lot of different things. Okay, this could be useful. Probably read this while waiting for the weather to cool off a little bit. Ah, there's the hands-free calling part. Inverted text, but that's what this is. So yeah, alright, it's got hands-free calling. You know, it's got some interesting stuff, but I only really cared about the fact that it can play music out of USB sticks and connect to phones by Bluetooth, which, you know, probably like almost all head units do that now, but the current one in my car doesn't, so... Ooh, my ears! Is that it? Okay. And then the actual box itself, receiver, whatever. Alright, fair enough. I wonder if this comes with any screws. Like a screw kit would be nice. It looks like it's set up for some self-tapping screws. Well, I mean, it doesn't look like anything special. It says 8mm max. Oh, length. Okay. Screw has to be 8mm long at most. And then, ooh, alright. The stuff on the back. Ports for the front 2 speakers, rear 2 speakers, subwoofer. That's basically it. And then a microphone port in the back, and a remote port, and one for the antenna, which is not going to be used. It's fine. Whatever. Okay, if there's no screws with this thing, then I guess I hopefully can reuse the screws that are on my current head unit. Alright, well, what is right now? It's like 3 right now, and scorching hot outside. Oh, one more thing. Alright, here we go. Screws and a couple little mounting plates. Alright, cool. Got everything. Just gonna wait for it to cool off. There's no point in dying out there. You know what? Actually, what counts as an ASMR video? Was this pleasing at all?